Well, this is another update on the 20 Mile Creek project on Highway 3 at Hedley. I'm going to give you a slightly different perspective on this project here, just kind of waiting for some traffic to actually go over the existing bridge. Give you some perspective. There we go. All right, so we'll pull away. And I'll show you where I am at this point. This is the old bridge deck. And the old cement parts of the deck. The pavement that used to be on there. And I'll take you up to the construction zone. Now it's very clearly marked, so we're not going to do something we're not supposed to do. But I'm just going to show you that they've actually cut away on the section that was the highway. The view I'm giving you is straight up where the highway will be, the new bridge will be. So in the gap there is where the new bridge will end up, and they've done a lot of back blading to pull out a lot of the dirt and gravel behind where it's going to end up being. Anyway, like I said, we're not going to walk into the construction zone, but I do want to give you a bit of a sense for what's happening. So I'm walking on what will eventually be Highway 3 again. I also want you to get a view of the smoke. We're having quite a bit of smoke in the valley due to the forest fires that are burning. So this kind of gives me an opportunity to share that with you as well. Anyway, project going quite well. I don't know what the projected end date is on this, but like I said, they are certainly progressing quite well on the project.